I'm not doing an intro. Just kidding. Welcome back to Linear Animates, and today we're playing Super Slime Simulator. Alright, I just downloaded this stupid thing, so. Alright, today we're going to be making some Oh, I know. We can make some freaking fracking fluffy slime. It's just okay. Yes, fluffy. White glue, let's go. Pour some water. It's actually spinning in it. Foam. I know, dude. Stupid thing. Oh, that's my friend Paige. She's gonna be in future videos. Hold on. Let me just pause. And we are back. Gotta, if the phone starts ringing, then who gives a F? So, Aquamarine. It's gonna be a surprise. If you hear a phone ringing in the background, that's just my friend calling. Okay. Then we have the flowers. Make them pink. Yeah. You don't know what slime I'm making, do you? Yeah, I probably don't. Alright, now we're gonna have to put more flowers in here. Even more. Then we're gonna make them, yeah, we're gonna make these boys, purple. Right there. Told you! Hold on!
From Mean Witch.
She called, and yes. Alright, let me tell you what it's called. She might call. Yes, right! Haha, it was, slime about me. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I got some coins, bruh. Now let's just, if she called that, she might call back. Yes. Yes. Yes! Okay, that was making a sound about me. I told you I would upload another. Wait, I didn't even upload today. Did I? No, I didn't. Sorry I don't upload as much, but okay. Bye, the noobs.